In this brand new video today, I am absolutely thrilled to present to you my very latest trading indicator, the Crypto-Quebec Structure Breakout Pro. As you can very clearly see for yourself right here on the screen, it offers a highly precise entry point with an incredible success rate that actually exceeds 96%. I am going to demonstrate this to you in real time. And you know what the absolute best part of all this is? It is completely and totally free. Come on, let's get right into it. I recently performed a live backtest on Bitcoin just a few days ago. I am going to show you exactly how it functions on a 15-minute time frame. It's already completely free, isn't it? So you really have absolutely nothing to lose by trying it out. Now, this indicator automatically detects breakouts. Let's launch the simulation together. Currently, it is signaling an imminent breakout. Do you see those signals? It is still a bit too early to take a position.
We are in a bearish divergence relative to the EMA, so the trend is downward. We observe a bullish divergence, and off we go. It continues. Normally, this type of structure is a sign of future growth. Let's wait a bit. It can take some time. There we go. I have my entry point. And it indicates the take profit, TPN. As soon as the TPN is reached, we move our stop loss, SL, to the entry point, plus 1%. Let's show the entry, the breakout, and enter right at the level of...
We show your entry this way, so you can be absolutely sure you won't lose on this trade. You don't have a touch. You then take 20% of your trade. Do we find ourselves back in the trade? Right there, you have taken 20% of your trade and you are out of the trade. Okay, you have a gain for the moment. We are going to see about that. Normally, it is something that grows from the base. It works especially well on Ethereum. I didn't run it before. I didn't run the apartment before.
So, there's a delay gauge on the entry, and as soon as you arrive at the TPN, you take 20% of the number of leverage X right here. If you made 5% at 20% and you made 2% at 20x, that makes 4%. And as soon as you reach the TPN, you raise your stop loss to break even. You have the number right there. Now you need to lower your stop loss to break even at 80, 60, and 11. Do you understand? And here, plus 1% gives us 8880. Okay, all right, let's continue.
And right here, thanks to that, we are the 5 TPNs are achieved. So on this trade, you go and get 20% of what always represents a certain significant amount.